Hey Brandon.
Hey Dan.
What are you doing?
Just chilling.
Cool. So today we're going to take a bone stock, what year 350Z?
I don't know.
03, 04 350Z.
The most basic Z you can get.
No coilovers, no, just a welded diff.
That's it.
That's it. That's all it has. Welded diff. I'm taking my 05 350Z with intake manifold, exhaust, other things, coilovers, hydro, and the most important thing is the diff in the gears. So I have 408 gears in the stock 350Z's, what, a 350 something.
Yeah.
So we're gonna drag race these suckers. I don't normally drag race, but when I do, it's for science!
Bill Nye. Hashtag.
Yeah, hashtag Dan Nye. Science bro. Anyway, so we're gonna let that thing smoke a little bit more because that's what it's doing. And then we're gonna go drag race before the sun goes down. Or we could just drag race into the sunset. Let's do it! Hey!
Was that a good start or you think I jumped?
I don't know. I'm not good at drag racing.
Me neither.
I don't know, let's try it again.
Okay.
This time? Woo, that time I won. One! Oh. Sick. 1, 2, 3. Alright, that's enough drag racing. That's boring as hell.
I think you got it.
I think that's it. Finally figured it out. Last time I just did a sick burnout the whole way. You gotta feather a little bit.
Those gears are just enough to do it, I think.
Yeah, it's just that first little bit that jumps out, but yeah, sick. So we learned a few things. Drag racing is really boring.
Very.
How do you do that all day? I don't know. It's like drifting is a drag race with a prize at the end. You guys just get to slow down and go wait in line. Anyway, beside the point, we also learned that I suck really bad at drag racing.
Same.
So we're also not good at it.
Level playing field.
Maybe that's why we think it sucks, because we're not good at it. Third, gears make a big difference.
Oh yeah, huge difference.
So if you have a Z and it's stock, it'll work. If you have a Z with gears, it will be optimal. And that's all. That's this lesson for today. I'm
yes.
pumped. Yeah! All right, let's go drift.
Good job.
Woo!